Transform your scattered images into a captivating visual portfolio that instantly elevates your photography business with Squarespace. First, head to Squarespace.com and click Get Started. You'll be prompted to choose a business type. Select Photography for tailored options. Now, it's time to pick your perfect canvas. Squarespace offers a range of beautiful photography focus templates designed to make your work the star. Browse through them, paying attention to how they showcase images, and select the one that best aligns with your artistic style. Once you've chosen a template, you'll land in your Squarespace dashboard. We'll start by adding a few essential pages: an about page to tell your story, a contact page for inquiries, and most importantly, galleries to display your portfolio. Click Add Page, select Gallery, and then choose your preferred gallery layout. Squarespace makes uploading and organizing your images a breeze, allowing you to drag and drop your high-resolution photos into stunning arrangements. Before uploading, optimize your images. This means resizing them appropriately for web display, usually around 15 million to 1,500 pixels on the longest side, and saving them as JPEGs. This ensures fast loading times without sacrificing quality. Now, let's make it uniquely yours. Click into the editor and customize your site's appearance. Adjust the color palette to match your brand. Select fonts that reflect your style, and tweak spacing and layout to create a polished, professional look. Beyond galleries, you can add other sections to your pages. Use text blocks to write compelling descriptions for your work or your services, and image blocks to create visual call to actions, like a button to book a session. Don't forget your contact page. Squarespace makes it easy to add a contact form, ensuring potential clients can easily reach out with inquiries. Finally, connect to your social media accounts. This is a great way to drive traffic to your website and broaden your audience. And there you have it. Why your professional photography website is ready to impress. Showcase your talent and attract more clients with a beautiful online presence.